Hello students, good morning. Hello everybody, welcome to my class. This is Pradeep sir with another session of class 10 mathematics, and presently we are going through the chapter similar triangles from class 10. So today I am going to start a new topic on similar triangles. I am going to show you the relation between the areas of two similar triangles. So here is the question, rather theorem. The ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equal to the squares of the ratio of their corresponding sides. Ratio of their corresponding sides. The ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. This theorem has been deleted by CBSE for this academic session, that is 2020-21, because of the pandemic. So this theorem, the proof of this theorem will not be there in the board exam, but problems based on this theorem will be there. So first of all, let me show you the theorem, then we will go to solve the problems based on it. Okay. ABC and PQR are two similar triangles. We have to prove that it is given in the question that these two triangles are similar. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, and we have to prove area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equals to AB upon PQ whole square equals to BC upon QR whole square equals to AC upon PR whole square. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equals to AB upon PQ whole square equals to BC upon QR whole square equals to AC upon PR whole square. This is the theorem. We have to prove this. Okay. So there is a construction. What we have to draw? We have to draw two altitudes of these triangles. Suppose AD is the altitude of triangle ABC and PM is the altitude of triangle PQR. These are the altitudes PM. So AD perpendicular to BC and PM perpendicular to QR are drawn. Now we have to prove the main content. So I am erasing all this, just go through it. These two triangles are similar. We have to prove that area ABC upon area PQR equals to AB upon PQ whole square equals to BC upon QR whole square equals to AC upon PR whole square. And for that, two constructions are done. AD perpendicular to base BC and PM perpendicular to the base QR are drawn. Okay. So I am erasing all these things. Proof. triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. This is given in the question. It is given. Therefore, we can write AB upon PQ is equals to BC upon QR. BC upon QR equals to AC upon PR. AC upon PR. We all know that if two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are proportional. So that's why this relation is there. So make this as equation number 1. And in reason, we must write corresponding sides of similar triangles are proportional. Corresponding sides of similar triangles are proportional. Okay, now area of triangle. Okay, first of all, let me prove that these two triangles, that is ABD and triangle PQM, these two triangles are similar. First, let me prove that. So, in triangle ABD and triangle PQM, we can say angle B is equals to angle Q, because triangle ABC and triangle PQR are similar, so their corresponding angles are equal. So here corresponding angles of similar triangles are equal. And we can also write angle ADB equals to angle PMQ. Both are right angles. Angle ADB is equals to angle PMQ. Both are right angles. So in these two triangles, we have two angles equal. So by AA similarity criteria, we can say that triangle ABD and triangle PQM are similar. Therefore, triangle ABD similar to triangle PQM by AA. Understood? Now, if two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are proportional. So we can write here, we can write AB upon PQ, that is AB upon PQ equals to AD upon PM. AD upon PM. This will be equation number 2, and reason will be same. Corresponding sides of similar triangles are proportional. We have to write down the same reason. Understood? So this is equation number 2. Now, let me erase this one also. This is equation number 1. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR. What is the area of triangle ABC? It is half into base into height. So half base is BC and height is AD. Similarly, area of triangle PQR, half into base into height. Base is QR and height is PM. So this half cancelled. So we can write BC upon QR multiplied with AD upon PM. Now from equation 1, in place of BC upon QR, we can write AB upon PQ, AB upon PQ, because in equation 1 we have got AB upon PQ is equals to BC upon QR is equals to AC upon PR. Since the triangles are similar, so their corresponding sides are proportional, we can write this. So in place of BC upon QR, from here we can write AB upon PQ, and in place of AD upon PM, we can write AB upon PQ. So these two values we have replaced from equation 1 and equation 2. So write your reason from equation 1 and 2 equals to AB upon PQ whole square. So therefore what we have got? We have got area ABC upon area PQR is equals to AB upon PQ whole square. Now AB upon PQ can also be written as BC upon QR, and it can also be written as AC upon PR, because the corresponding sides of the triangles are proportional as these two triangles are similar. Therefore we can write area of ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equals to AB upon PQ whole square equals to BC upon QR whole square equals to AC upon PR whole square. And this is what we have to prove. This is the question. So I hope you have understood how to do and the process. First of all, since these two triangles are similar, so their corresponding sides are proportional, then we have to prove that these two triangles are similar also. Angle B is equals to angle Q, because triangles are similar. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, and angle ADB equals to angle PMQ. Both are right angles. Therefore these two triangles are also similar, the shaded one, that is ABD and QM. So we can write AB upon PQ equals to AD upon PM. So that is equation number 2. Now the ratio of area we have got as AB upon PQ whole square. So replacing all these values, we can write area ABC upon area PQR is equals to AB upon PQ whole square equals to BC upon QR whole square equals to AC upon PR whole square. Understood? Okay. Now based upon this theorem, let me solve problems also. So this is a question. Triangle ABC and triangle DEF, they are similar. Triangle ABC and triangle DEF, these two are similar triangles. And it is given that area of ABC is 64 centimeter square, area of DEF is 121 centimeter square. DEF is given 15.4 centimeter. We have to find a BC. How much is BC? Now we have to use the theorem of ratio of areas of two similar triangles. So since these two triangles are similar given, therefore we can write area ABC upon area DEF is equals to BC upon EF whole square. We have learnt in the theorem that ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equals to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding side. So BC and EF are the corresponding sides of these two similar triangles. Therefore we can write this relation. Now let us replace this value, put the values. Area of ABC is 64, so it is 64 here. Area of DEF is 121. BC we don't know. EF is 15.4. 64 can be written as 8 square. 121 can be written as 11 square. So 8 upon 11 square is equals to BC upon 15.4 whole square. Both sides are written in the form of square. Now I am eliminating the square from both sides. So what we will get by comparing both sides, we will get 8 upon 11 is equals to BC upon 15.4 by comparing LHS and RHS. So by cross multiplication, we can write 11 upon BC is equals to 8 upon 15.8 multiplied with 15.4. 11 multiplied with BC, cross multiplication, is equals to 8 multiplied with 15.7. So BC is equals to 8 multiplied with 15.4 divided with by 11. So 11 cuts 15.4 is 1.4. Therefore BC is equals to 8 multiplied with 1.4 is 11.2 centimeter. We have got the answer. Hope you have understood. The sum was very easy, isn't it? Okay. So let us conclude the class today. Whatever we have learnt, you just go on practicing the theorem as well as the problem, this type of problem based on this theorem. Hope you will be able to do it by yourself now. So let us meet in the next class. In the next class, we will solve some critical problem, standard problem based on this topic, that is the ratio of areas of two similar triangles. Understood? So let us meet in the next class. Till then, goodbye and have a wonderful day.